let's go. Hey everybody, this is Jenny and I'm going to be opening up 3 stuff. First I'm opening up Fashionista, then I'm opening up Littlest Pet Shop, and then I'm going to open up My Little Pony Mystery Minis. Okay. And I got Olaf. He's really squishy. I like the nose. Okay. Now I'm gonna be opening up Littlest Pet Shop. And I got, which one did I get? Oh, I got, where is she? Oh, in the picture it is blue. Out here it's purple. I got hashtag 3796. Let me get her on. Not gonna go on good. Okay. She fell out. It's okay. I'm going to open up My Little Pony Mystery Minis. I need to use my handy dandy scissors. Not opening. Okay. Now I got it. Okay, where do I open it? Okay. Got different kinds. See which one I get. It's hard to open. It's in a bag. Handy dandy scissors. And I got Pinkie Pie. She's really cute. Look at this. See, the skin's black, not light pink. Look at in the pictures. Thank you everybody for seeing. Thank you everybody for seeing me, and I hope you like it. Bye.